All the smoke right here. We're gonna start a leak. What's up, everybody? Today we have the Fusion. Well, everybody knows it. Turbo. It's leaking. So, the issue is, on a cold start, it smokes for quite a little bit, and then it goes away. And sometimes you have a check engine light, sometimes you don't. This one did not have any lights on. So to make sure exactly if it's turbo issue or what's going on, to make sure you'll have to take the tubes off. The tube that are coming out of the turbo go into the towards the body right here. If you see a lot of oil, yeah, that's it. I don't think that's too much oil. Sometimes it's normal, but the tube inside, put your finger, it comes with a lot of oil. And this tube right here, it comes out of the filter to the turbo. Keep disconnected too, and look inside. If you don't have oil, but you have oil from the other side, that's for sure the turbo. And some people mix these things up. So the 2020 Fusion doesn't have the short block issues. That short block issues came from the factory as like that. It was a recall they were supposed to do to change the short block on the engine because it was leaking antifreeze in the cylinder head. Yep, it was burning antifreeze, but this one is totally different issue. Yes, it's 1.5, but it's a different total issue. Hey, what's up, everybody? Yep, we took it off. So, if you look inside, let me just a light real quick. See that oil? Yep, interior foam. So basically, there's inside some kind of oil that cool it down from inside. There's like a oil seal, and that oil seal is leaking from the inside. What makes the car smoke? You do have your oil in here. So it's not a really hard thing to do. Yeah, this 12 volts right here on the engine. 3 of them right here, 10. And the other stuff that goes right here. So then you want to let it go. Right here. Turbo. Factory baby comes with all the stuff that you need. You have to install something all of it. New one, everything comes with it. You just have to put it on. Yes. I always like to change the gasket. So just to make sure when you take it off and put it back again, the old one won't leak or something. These are the cooling lines for the antifreeze. And you have right here goes another cooler line, oil line, and there's another bottom oil line right there. Adder inside there. This one right here. That's it. That's all you need to do. The only thing that you're supposed to make sure is that line right here doesn't come with a new one. And just make sure that this is tight. Just give it a teeth, one teeth is enough. Just for making sure. Alright, that's leaking a little bit right here from taking it off. We're gonna clean that a little bit. We didn't start it yet. Get that connected to the exhaust tight. Right here too. We have this cooler lines is tight. On the top, all good. Over there too, you have that line, it's tight. There's a vacuum line too, it's tight. And that line over there, it goes right here on the top. I don't know if you can guys see it. Yep, it should be all. Right, G's, looks like we had almost finished. Just checking out everything that we have done. This looks good. Connectors. There's a brand new one over there. Shields on. Shields on. Sure these wire stuff. Two is connected. Alright guys, everything seems to be fine. Thank you very much for watching. Please share, subscribe, like. See you all.